You'll have to excuse the planer in the background, but this is a mystery package. I think I know what this is, but let's take a look together. So this is the ANTOP HD Smart Panel Antenna, and I'm doing a review on this today. They reached out to me about 3 or 4 weeks ago and asked me if I wouldn't be interested in doing a review on this for them. And I said, yeah, I'd be happy to. I had been looking for a TV antenna. The one I have was cheap. It's really never worked well. I'll show it to you here in a bit. But today I'm going to be getting this out of the box, getting it set up, and checking it out and see how well it works. That's a serious antenna right there. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Oh, looks like a power supply. Oh, a teeny tiny power supply. Interesting. Alright. Main part of the antenna. It's pretty heavy. Keep away from small children. Oh, it's got a base on it. Okay. That's interesting. These must be the enhanced rods. You can wall mount it. So they give you this that you can wall mount through. Install a mast pole not provided on the house, preferably on rooftop or the side of the house facing the TV station transmitters. Attach the antenna to the mast pole by using the clamp kit. Okay. I think that's what we'll do is we'll going to mount it on a mast that I have. Hopefully it will be big enough. That's a pretty heavy antenna. Or you can mount it flat or use it indoor. Yeah, this thing was pretty much a piece of crap from the day I got it. This piece here busted as soon as I put it up. I guess they just leave it to your imagination as to how to pole mount it. But I don't see an illustration of it, the pole mount, anywhere. Okay, so, oh, you kind of do right here. Oh, I see. Boy, it's really teeny tiny. That's the whole fun of wing nuts, isn't it? Being able to spin them down like that. Yeah, I'd say it's pretty solid. So I was thinking I was going to beef it up a little bit, but I think it'll be fine. Oh yeah, that's much heavier. All right. All right, don't do like I did and forget to put these on. So the bottom line is I have no new stations, and I've got a lot of stations duplicating. So the station count was really, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more than what it actually was. So I had about 35 channels, which I think is about what you have here. I had no new channels that I could see in the scan. So I guess we'll call it somewhat successful. I'll watch it work for a couple weeks and make sure that everything's going to work out on it and get back to you. So this is the ANTOP AT-800SBS antenna, and it's been working perfectly. It has FM reception as well as TV reception, and I have found it to work excellently. I got it pointed. I kind of split the difference between the two stations. I have one transmitter site that sits out this way and another one up here behind me. So I tweaked it around a little bit until I got a good signal on all of them. And it's been working amazingly well. I'm really happy with it. It does have a rating of 85 miles. So it should reach out and bring a station in that's 85 miles away. Now I tried it on a station that's roughly 95 miles away out this direction. Unfortunately, I got this big pine tree in the way. And so that probably knocks down the reception quality a little bit. I wasn't able to tune those stations in. But all my local stations are coming in perfectly, no problems whatsoever. So it does what they say it'll do. It's a great digital TV antenna and an FM broadcast antenna. So I have a link in the description below to Amazon where you can pick up your own ANTOP antenna. They have a number of different antennas. This has just happened to be the one that I asked them to send to me to test. And it's worked out beautifully, so I highly recommend it. If you found value in this video, give me that thumbs up. I always appreciate that. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Ring the notification bell. Got a lot of great videos still to come. But for now, it's time to go. Thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate it. Until we get together for another video, peace.